This is the view of the Taj Mahal. Let's start our journey from here. Here we go. ताजमहल का सारा चक्कर लगाते हैं, देखते हैं ताजमहल कितना बड़ा है। यहाँ से ताजमहल की जो टोटल एरिया है उस एरिया को कवर करने के लिए आई एम गोइंग टू मेक दिस वीडियो। ब्लैक यहीं मिलोगे? आ जाओ, साथ में आ जाओ। Meet my friend, best friend Nikhil. Nikhil, say hi.
My name is Harish.
Harish Chandra Singh.
I have two names. One is Nikhil, which is my pet name.
And another is?
Another is official name.
Official
which
name.
is Harish Chandra Singh. We are at Taj Mahal, very excited. Nisu, actually.
Because Nikhil has come second
I
time.
have already visited here last month. So, not very much excited, but I'm with Nisu, so I'm excited.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, I love his company.
I also. We are walking backside of the
It's
Taj
a very
Mahal.
beautiful weather here.
Yeah. And I'm telling you that we are walking backside of the Taj Mahal. You can see the Taj Mahal is passing by the Yamuna River.
Taj
This
Mahal is
Yamuna
not
River.
passing, the river is
Yeah,
passing.
river is passing by the Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
And here is the view of the Taj Mahal. This is the Taj Mahal. You can see here.
Actually, did you touch?
Touch.
Did you touch?
Let's go to touch there. Let me touch. This is the pure white marble you can see. Let's go. Come, Nikhil.
होंगे भी तो खर्चे तो 4 चाहिए होंगे
This is Yamuna River and the Taj Mahal. I can show you the entry gate of the Taj Mahal. This is the entry gate of the Taj Mahal. And from there you can enter into the Taj Mahal. Here is Taj Mahal. Nikhil, provide some information about the Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan in the memory of her beloved wife
Mumtaz Mahal.
So on her wife, its name is Taj Mahal, and you can see just in front of that there is another mosque there for prayers. You can see prayers on Friday, that is namaz.
Okay.
So there is entry fee of 200 if you want to enter from that side to enter in to go a little closer to Taj Mahal. If you are paying 50 rupees, then you have to you can only have a round trip around that Taj Mahal. Now you are not allowed to go on that place where you can see people.
If you want to go inside to the Taj Mahal there,
Yeah.
near the Taj Mahal, then you'll have to pay 200 rupees ticket.
Yeah.
This is the complete view of the Taj Mahal, and we are going backside again.
Oh, it's a round side, like there is Taj Mahal is looks same from all four
Four corners,
corners. Or you
four
can say
sides. If you see
four
the Taj
sides.
Mahal from the all four sides,
It
you can
looks
see the
similar.
same.
Looks similar.
It looks similar.
Yeah.
Okay.
All four sides are built same. There is a counter if you are not taking ticket from outside.
You can
For-
take the ticket from there. Here is
for
a
main
counter.
entry, you can take there from it's 200 rupees ticket.
And very
That is a separate
beautiful.
counter if you are not taking ticket from outside for entry to the main gate.
And what can you say about the beautiful garden nearby the Taj Mahal? Here is.
This build is in a very wide space, you can see that. A lot of money has been spent over there.
Because it is made by the King of the India,
Yeah, well, it's not India, but maybe from Delhi.
Delhi.
I guess so. I didn't know much about Shahjahan. Yeah, I guess so.
Here we can see we are looking the garden of the near the Taj Mahal, and it is very lovely and pleasant view which is near the Taj Mahal.
It's a very beautiful garden.
Yes. Come. Should we go round trip there?
No, we can't enter from there. We have to go down and again go through this way.
Go to this side, okay? Now explain some. You were telling me that a black Taj Mahal was going to be made.
I don't know much about. I have heard from someone who was saying that there was planned to make a black Taj Mahal right in front of the Taj Mahal uh, after the river Yamuna, which is passing by Taj Mahal. So both sides of river there would be we have already a Taj Mahal in white marble, so they were planning to make a Taj Mahal in black marble from other side of the river. So that was the plan. I have just heard. I'm not pretty sure about that, but yes, I've heard about that.
Very good knowledge you have, but you are not sure about that.
Yeah.
I like it.
Right?
Now we are going downstairs. You can see. Little.
I'm with you, Frank.
We are going downstairs from the Taj Mahal, and we are going.
As we didn't buy ticket for rupees 200, so we are just going around Taj Mahal.
We could not go upside,
Yeah.
but we can go near the Taj Mahal, and we have touched the wall nearby that. Our we are looking pretty much good in this view.
looking
What,
pretty
what
good.
do you say? What do you say, Nikhil?
You guys are very handsome.
That's why. That's why it is happening with us.
Yeah.
Only with us. The brightness has been increased by me of my phone. That's why it's happening with us. You can understand, I think.
You can see the board there for general ticket holders.
No, we do not show that. See here the lovely garden made near the Taj Mahal. What a view.
This is a lovely park, but entry is prohibited there. You cannot cross
That's why it is very lovely. Because entry is prohibited and it is kept and maintained by the
there. If you are
gardener.
going there might be some penalty. You have to bear.
A lot of people are waiting there outside. You can see.
It's a weekend, so it's a rush, pretty full
Yeah.
atmosphere here.
We are here on Saturday. What is the date?
It's 15th of Feb
15th Feb 2019 Saturday.
Saturday.
That's why there are a lot of public here.
Yeah. It's a weekend. Guys are having holidays. They are enjoying there.
Yeah,
You can see a lot of
the whole
people
view
there.
of the Taj Mahal. Now here we go. Where do we need to go, Nikhil?
We will go straight.
Straight, okay.
Yeah.
What will you do after going there?
Nothing. We are just making a round trip of Taj Mahal. It's built in a very wide space. You can see that video will be of around 15 minutes. It's already 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's built in a wide area, very long area. You're not allowed to take a round of Taj Mahal from this side because there is security.
Okay.
Although you can enter from this side.
You can see a lot of and a huge public are coming to see the Taj
This is the
Mahal.
main entry gate of Taj Mahal.
This is the entry, and you can see the lovely fountain here. And
It's just in front of Taj Mahal.
it is just front of the Taj Mahal. You can see this is the fountain, and it is in the front of the Taj Mahal here.
Taj Mahal is on the back side of us.
But the view of Taj Mahal is not pretty good from the near side. You can see it from the back side.
Yeah. Just seeing Taj Mahal from that entry gate.
Let's go.
No, not go. We can show that. You just move around.
No, it's the front camera, so
No, so we have to show the entry gate, na?
you wanna show the entry gate.
Yeah.
That is the entry gate. If
That
you
is the
see the
entry
Taj
gate.
Mahal from
You
the
are
entry
seeing-
gate.
You're seeing from that entry gate Taj Mahal. It will look more beautiful, you know.
Like
So
us.
that is the real view you will get. We find it very beautiful from there.
And the weather is very lovely. You can see to the sky. The sky is very clean today. Sun has
There is no sun today. No sunny day.
no sunny day. It is hazing only.
Very good day to walk around. Also,
That's why we are walking and taking the double trip.
yeah.
Now see the another garden. It is another garden near the Taj Mahal.
And there is no entry allowed in any
Here
of the
is also
gardens.
not any entry allowed, and it is very clean because of it. No entry criteria.
Entry is prohibited because if you walk around the garden, then we will destroy the grasses.
This is the normal
the greenery
tendency of
will-
the human being.
Yeah. So the greenery will almost finish. That is why it is not allowed, I guess.
Yes.
Lots of trees.
There are lots of trees and another garden is
It's a
here.
lush green environment around Taj Mahal.
Very green environment has been
Yeah,
built near the Taj Mahal.
Yeah. It's a very natural view. You will enjoy it. We are just moving around Taj Mahal.
Here are the trees and gardens you can see. We are going the upstairs and we are going towards
The
the
other
Taj
side
Mahal
of the
again.
Taj Mahal.
inner side,
Other side.
other side.
Yeah. It's the other side of Taj Mahal, but it will look same.
All the four sides look same because it is built very equally from the all side.
Really beautiful from all the sides.
There is a mosque near the Taj Mahal. We have started our journey to make the video from this side, and now we are here again.
You
Nikhil.
can submit your shoes here if you don't want to pay.
Yeah, you can submit your shoes here.
On the two sides of Taj Mahal there is mosque, and the other side there is river, and one is our entry gate. So this is the four sides.
And we are going there where there is a river near the Taj Mahal, and we have started
We are
our
just
journey
about
there.
to reach there, where we have started our video.
And you can see the look of Taj Mahal from here. It is very pretty, lovely. Yeah, it is complete view. We can go upside to make it
More
clear.
clear.
We are going up, and you can see it. So pretty.
You can move your camera a bit to show the other pillar.
Other pillar, yeah.
Yeah.
It is like this.
You can see. This is the Taj
Complete
Mahal.